Hi guys, today we will be microwaving mustard. How to flip camera. As can see, traditional au mustard and plate. First, open mustard. Then put reasonable amount of mustard. Ideally, shake it so you do not get the water, because that looks nasty. Put a reasonable amount of mustard on your plate. Make sure it looks nice and is evenly distributed for the best microwave experience. Then, press this button on your microwave. Put mustard in microwave. 10 minutes should suffice. And now we wait. So now that there are 1 second left, we can see our end result is a very strong smell and microwaved mustard. Now, for the density test, I will be procuring knife. I see. It is just one. Oh. This is very tasty, scrumptious even. Thank you for watching microwave mustard tutorial. Goodbye.